Student planning allows you to plan what courses you want to take for upcoming terms. There are two ways to plan courses: using the degree requirements defined on My Progress or searching directly in the course catalog. This tutorial explains the process for searching directly in the course catalog. To start the planning process, first log in and navigate to the Student Planning homepage. From the homepage, select Course Catalog from the drop-down option. The course catalog will list all subjects available. Under the Subject Search tab, you can use the Search for a Course Subject to limit the subjects displayed to only those that are relevant for you. Additionally, you can use the Advanced Search tab to access a wide selection of search options including term, course, meeting dates, location, etc. After entering your desired search criteria and selecting to search, any results fitting your selected criteria will be displayed. The resulting course catalog detail page will include a main section listing any requisites required for the course and a brief description. On the left-hand side of the page are filter options allowing you to further filter the displayed content by location, day of the week, instructor, etc. Once data is filtered as you would like, you then have two choices to plan for the class. The first option is to select the Add Course to Plan button to add the course to a future term. This option does not select a specific time or location for your class and instead adds it to your plan as a placeholder. This action does not register you for the class. When the specific locations and times are set for this course, you will need to select the specific section you would like to attend and then register for the section when registration opens. The second option is to select View Available Sections. When available, locations and times will be listed for each section. Once you have determined which section has the best location and time for your schedule, select the Add Section to Schedule button. This option adds the section to your plan as a placeholder. This action does not register you for the class. When the registration window opens for the next upcoming term, you will still need to register for the section and any other sections placed on your plan.